All right, everybody, good morning. My last video was May 24th, so it's been 8 days. 8 days of nail biting, waiting for crypto to go up. It's still down at the bottom, hasn't done anything really, so figured I'd make a video today and show you this spreadsheet. Um, I got this spreadsheet from a guy that's called Calvin Hill on TikTok. He's a multimillionaire crypto trader, and he has these for sale on his website. I'm going to type down here because it won't let me. It won't let me go to other platforms once I'm on something to record. So um, this is the spreadsheet, and I have it open so I can show it to you. His crypto. Let me look it up here real fast. His crypto is, or his TikTok, I'm sorry, is at Power of Publish 2.0. Okay. You can watch him. You can follow him on TikTok. He does a live presentation, usually for a couple hours once a week. He used to do it a lot more frequent, but he came up in crypto really fast. He knows what he's talking about. He knows what he's doing. That's why I'm going to show you this thing today, this spreadsheet, because this is a really easy way for you to track your crypto. And then he has a website. So I'm going to delete this. You guys make sure you take a screenshot of this or something. It's at Power of Publish 2.0. Now I'm going to put in his website, and he's got two ebooks on there. I think you can get both of them for like $25 or $30. It's an ebook, and then there's a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is what I'm going to show you today. Anyway, his website is powerofpub.com. Okay. Take a screenshot of that so you have it. I've got to get this recording stuff figured out. I'm recording on my computer and then transferring it over to Twitter and to YouTube and all that stuff manually. So once I get enough followers, I'll be able to do a lot more of this stuff on one platform, which will be easier for me to transfer it. Anyway, his name is Calvin Hill. Very, very smart guy, very wealthy, knows what he's doing. And every time he does a live, he'll throw some new information in there that he's never put in there before. So every time you watch him, you get something new out of it. But anyway, this is a profit spreadsheet. As you can see, it says up here, okay? You can't change the way some of these things work in here. If you do, you will screw up the whole platform. So what you're going to be able to change in here is your price that you buy your Dogecoin at, or Sandbox, Shiba Inu. You can put whatever coin you buy. Okay, you can see down here you have future assets. Okay, this list can go on and on and on. So you don't have to just put one crypto on this page. You can put multiple cryptos. Okay, you put the name of your crypto here. You can change this box. Okay, the price you bought it at. Okay, and then you can look on any crypto. You can look and see what their all-time high was, and you can put that in there. Okay, what you paid what the all-time high was, then it will calculate these red boxes. Okay, the red boxes you do not want to change, because if you do, you will fuck up the whole platform. So you can change this, you can change these, put your names in there, you can change the price that you paid, you can change the all-time highs, and you can change the amounts that you bought. So as you can see, Dogecoin, I put in Dogecoin, I put in 0.065, that's how much I paid for my Dogecoin. Okay, and then here's the all-time high, because you kind of want to see, well, if I'm buying my Doge at this price and it gets back up to the old all-time high, okay, and I bought this many coins, it's going to calculate over here your cost, your gains, and your net profits. And then the sectors you can put in here, if it's in the metaverse or if it's a meme coin, low cap coin, gold 2.0 coin, DeFi, big cap. You can label these sectors however you want. But these red ones, you do not want to change those. You don't want to go in there and try to modify any of these things. Because if you go in here and double click on these boxes, okay, it's got code written in it. C3 times E3. So this is C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? C3 times E3 equals this box. So you don't want to change that code in there, because if you do, it'll mess everything all up. Okay, the only thing you want to put your name, you can put your price, you can put your all-time high, and you can put in there how many cryptos you bought. Okay, so calculate your gains. So if you bought at $1.25 and it reaches its all-time high of $15.71, that's going to be a 12.5 gain on your money. Okay, you bought 156 coins. It costed you $195. Okay, because it's calculating the 156 times the 125. So the $1.25 times 156 costed you $195. Now, if it reaches the all-time high, it's going to calculate your coins times the all-time high. Okay, and then it's going to give you your net profits if it reaches that price. So I have never shown you guys let me see, well, I can't remember what it's called. Okay, I've never shown you guys the Fibonacci retracement bands and how to place those on your cryptos, but I will make a video of that eventually. Anyway, Fibonacci bands, what it does is it's a mathematical equation. It's like a repeating equation. So these bands have levels. The 0.618 is the golden ratio, and then it has ratios below it and ratios above it. Anyway, there are levels that will repeat as crypto goes up and down. So when you place your Fibonacci bands, you go from your highest Okay, click there, your highest to your lowest, and it draws bands, and it tells you where the support and resistance line should be. It should retrace to those bands. So when you do that, it gives you a price point, or not really all-time highs, but it gives you each one of those bands gives you a price target that can either be support or resistance depending on whether you're above or below it. Okay, and I put those prices in here. Okay, most of those are down here. See these prices? This right here is the highest they think it can ever go. For now, anyway. As you know, over time, everything goes up. So anyway, I went through those Fibonacci bands and wrote down the price targets. Okay, and this calculated all those out to let me know that at the cost, at what I have invested, if it reaches these prices over here, this is how much my gains are going to be and how much my profits are going to be. So, you know, right now, if it should make it to $2.98 a share, what I have invested now is $4,000, $4,500, and if it makes it to there, then I'm going to profit $92,000 profit. So there's no bank you can go and stick your money in and wait 4 years, and at the end of that 4 years you could see a profit of $92,000. It just ain't gonna happen. And then, you know, I keep over time dollar cost averaging in, throwing in a little bit more money, throwing in a little bit more money, and by doing that, that eventually brings this price down lower, right? Okay, so whenever that happens, I'll go through here and I'll recalculate, which I actually need to do now because I just put all my my Dogecoin that I've mined. I just went ahead and transferred it into my Robinhood. So I need to recalculate these now. So right now, where's my Doge? Okay, Dogecoin I have 33. 36.92. Okay. And if you take this, I believe, and you just drag it down, it'll change all of them to that price. See how it calculated everything out? Changed everything. Okay. And then I also have to go in here, and I believe I bought some more SHIB here a while back. And I need to change these. Okay, so now I have 85, 710, 987. Okay, need to change those. I have a bunch of SHIB. SHIB is going to be one of my long-term holds. Um, SHIB's going to keep going up. It's having a hard time right now, but all the cryptos are. Everything's pretty much staying stagnant. Like I said, over the 2024 into the middle of 2025, that's when things are going to get really crazy. I'm hoping that that's going to start up early. I'm hoping that's going to start up here about June or July, maybe August. But we'll see. I have my hopes up, but who knows what it's going to do. But anyway, so this is your price that you paid. Okay. I don't think that price. No, my truck. I bought a whole bunch more Shiba Inu, but it didn't bring my price down. So a bunch of this Shiba Inu I bought at a lot cheaper than 0.000013 cents. So a lot of it is 5 zeros and an 8. I've been doing that for a while, so I'm surprised it hasn't brought my price down a little bit, but it's okay. The all-time high was 4 zeros and an 8 so even if it goes to all-time highs, you know, I've only got $1,000 in there, $1,100 in there. You know, even if it just goes back to the all-time high, I'm going to profit $6,400. Okay, there's no bank in the world that you can put $1,100 in there, and in 4 years when it goes to an all-time high again, the same price, you're going to profit $6,000. It ain't just going to not going to happen. Okay. Now, in this spreadsheet, he also has other things that I really don't use. Kind of messed with the long-term investments a little bit. I haven't really messed with the monthly dollar cost averaging. But you can list your crypto assets over here, the price that they're at, how many you accumulated, how much you paid for them, all-time highs, and it'll profit out. I don't see any real reason to do this really for me right now, because I don't have like tons and tons of money in crypto yet. I mean, I have a little bit invested compared to like say like Calvin Hill and people like that who are invested in probably 100 different projects and hoping that one of them's gonna make a big profit, you know, because some of them will spike pretty high in a short period of time while the other ones stay stagnant. So if that's why they tell you to diversify your portfolio, because one of your cryptos may go down today and the other one may go up and vice versa. So the more projects you're invested in, the better off you are making profits. So but anyway, you got long-term investments, okay, things that you're hoping to hold for a long period of time. Weekly, monthly, dollar cost averaging, your pool profits breakdown. Okay. And when you buy all this stuff from him, he gives you videos that explain in detail how to use these spreadsheets. But I mean, this spreadsheet right here is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you put the name of your coin, how much you paid for it, what the all-time high was, how many shares you paid, and then it calculates out all the rest for you. You don't have to calculate anything. So you just put your price you paid, okay, the all-time high, and then how many you bought. You just got to enter 3 things on this page. And of course your all-time high is going to be the same all the way down, unless you want to calculate your Fibonacci's and stuff. Then you'll change the all-time highs, right? And then it'll calculate how many times gain that is and what your profits are going to be over here. So I've got a bunch of coins that I've bought at 0.09 cents, 15. I have some that I bought back when it was 36, 37 cents. I've just been dollar cost averaging in. And anyway, we'll see how this comes out. Anyway, I have right now 33,000 shares of Dogecoin. So I've brought my dollar cost average back down quite a bit. But anyway, I just wanted to show you, if you're not keeping track of your crypto and you can't pull something up to see what your profits are going to be, I mean, because if you're looking at your chart and you're like, okay, well, I can tell Dogecoin's going up really, really high, and we're still at the bottom of my IMAC. It's really taken off right now, and it's got to travel all the way back up to the top of the IMAC. And my RSI is really, it's way down in the oversold area, and it's still got to travel. You can kind of guesstimate at what price you're going to be able to sell, and you can come in here and look real fast. Well, I think it's going to go up to about 19 cents. Well, I've got 33,000 shares at 19 cents. I've got it's going to sell at $6,000. I'm going to make $1,700 profit. That's almost half of what I have invested. That's like 40%, right? So you can look real fast. Okay, well, I'm going to put if that's the case, I think I'll just go ahead and put in a sell order at 19 cents. And if it makes it there and I cash out, I'm going to make $1,700 profit. That's how that works. Or we're already at 20 cents, and man, it looks like it's probably gonna go up to like 25 cents. You can go in here and change this and put 0.25. Okay, and it'll calculate over here how much your profits are going to be. Let's do that. This one is 09. We'll change it back in a little bit. Okay. Now look at how much that was at 9 cents. Your profits over here, when I hit that enter button, look at what it's going to change to. If it goes to 25 cents. $6,000 profit, not gains. This is your gains. You got to subtract $2,000 from your gains to get $6,000. Okay, so we'll change that back to 09. So you can just change these anytime you want. Okay, well, it looks like it's going to go, because I don't have a 25 cents in here, so that's why I changed that one to show you. You can change these, Say it went down to 0.065 cents again. And I'm like, hell, that's all-time low area again. I'm going to go ahead and buy another 40,000 shares. Okay. All right. So you just spent $2,600 for 40,000 shares, right? And then it goes, that's at 09 cents. This price over here, how much your profits are going to be. Okay, let's say it goes to 25 cents. Okay, so you basically spent $2,600 for 40,000 shares. Okay, right? 40,000. Your profits, if it goes to 25 cents, okay, $10,000. So then you got to subtract your 2,600 of your money off of that. You made $7,400 profit. But anyway, that's how that works. You can change these to suit your needs. Keep track of all your stuff. Change all this stuff back to the way it was. Now, I just wanted to show that to you. I'm going to get off this video and then go start another video and show you guys what's been going on in the market. But anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Anyway, this spreadsheet is a good deal. I typed in down there earlier in the video, Calvin Hill, Power of Publish 2.0 and TikTok. And then he's got the website, powerofpub.com, where you can buy this spreadsheet. And it comes, you can get an ebook too. It's pretty informative. Tells you what exchanges you can use. Gives you definitions of some of the bigger terms that are used in crypto and all that. So you guys check it out. Anyway, I'm gonna leave now.